Dengarkan penjelasan Ibu Ida tentang cara membuat buku saku. Di halaman berikutnya, lengkapi paragraf dengan memilih kata yang tepat dari kotak.
Okay, students, I will show you how to make a pocket storybook. You will need a piece of paper and scissors. First, fold the paper into eighths. Make sure you fold the paper evenly. After that, unfold the paper. You will see 8 panels that will be the pages of the book. Fold the paper again from the short edge to the other. Cut the vertical fold in the middle of the paper using scissors. Unfold the paper again. Fold the paper from the long edge to the other. Unfold the 2 ends. Fold the paper until it becomes a book. Voila! Now, you have a pocketbook.